Good evening friends. Previously we have already discussed about periodontic triangle. Today we will be discussing about the modification of the periodontic triangle. It was modified by McDonald in 2004 where he had been added society. Society influenced the treatment plan between the child, parents and the dentist. Now coming to the isosceles triangle, it means the two sides of the triangle will be equal. It is for the authoritative parents or the overindulgent parents. The overindulgent parents will always answer on behalf of the children and will try to interfere between the child and the dentist. Hence, the child will be far away from the dentist and there will not be effective communication. Coming to the right angle triangle, this is for the negligent parents where there will not be reciprocal communication between the dentist and the parents, and the equilateral triangle will change into right angle triangle. Then coming to the periodontic square, it is a new model given by Padmanabhan et al. Where there is 4 component along with dentist, parents and the society. And here the new factor added is pediatrician, and of course the child will be at the center of the attraction, and there will be effective reciprocation between the dentist, society, parents and the pediatrician. Now coming to the newer model, which is periodontic pyramid. This is the new treatment model where the child will be at the apex of the pyramid and at the bottom there will be other factor like society, parents, pediatric dentist and e-screens, and there will be 5 different levels of the pyramid. The factors which will be at the top has the greatest influence on the child treatment, whereas the factors which will be at the bottom will be having supporting roles. So the cooperation of the child and the dentist skills plays an important role during the treatment, whereas the communication and the follow-up will have the supporting role.